Hi, I'm Nicholas Hemingway. I've been designing this pen for nearly 2 years now to bring you the most beautifully over-engineered pen you'd ever want to own. Made from aerospace grade aluminium and stainless steel, this pen is super tough. Most modern products are under-engineered to cut costs. Not this pen. This pen is over-engineered so you'll never need any other pen again. The pen's open and close mechanism is the smoothest you'll find. With its integrated double O-ring design, it won't scratch as you place it back in its sleeve, like so many others do. As many of you know, I've been designing mechanical pencils for many years, but this is my first pen, and the years it's taken me to achieve this quality certainly shows. We plant trees for every pencil or pen that is pledged for, or any we sell on our website, nicholaszhemingway.com. Its simplicity in design makes this pen timeless. Precision made in stainless steel with aluminium sleeve and incorporating one of the world's best loved G2 gel ink cartridges. This makes it the pen for all writers, designers and architects alike. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you do pledge. I really do believe that this will be my best project yet. Thank you.